Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to unfollow a WhatsApp channel. If you're looking to declutter your WhatsApp and remove channels that no longer interest you, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your device and ensure that you have the latest version of the app installed. It's always recommended to keep your apps up to date for the best user experience. Step 2. Tap on Updates from the upper drawer. This will take you to the section where you can manage your WhatsApp channels and subscriptions. Step 3. Scroll down to Channels. This section contains all the channels you are currently following on WhatsApp. Step 4. Tap on Following next to the name of the channel you want to unfollow. This will bring up the channel's settings. Step 5. Within the channel settings, tap on Unfollow. This action will remove the channel from your followed list, and you will no longer receive updates from that channel. Step 6. In case you couldn't find the specific channel you want to unfollow, you can tap on Find Channels. This option allows you to search for channels that you may have missed. Step 7. Search for the channel you want to unfollow and tap on it. Once you have accessed the channel's settings, tap on Unfollow to remove it from your followed list. By following these simple steps, you can easily unfollow WhatsApp channels that are no longer of interest to you, helping you declutter your WhatsApp experience. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a clutter-free WhatsApp experience.